What's the meaning of courgette? Courgette. Courgette.
Courgette. Courgette. Courgette is a vegetable of the squash family, typically cylindrical in shape and dark green in color. It is also known as zucchini in some countries. Courgettes are low in calories and high in dietary fiber, making them a popular ingredient in healthy dishes. They can be cooked in a variety of ways, including frying, grilling, roasting, and baking, and can be used in both savory and sweet recipes. Overall, courgettes are a versatile and nutritious addition to any diet.